Hello mga kahatawan, hahatawin natin itong isang kanta na nagba-viral galing kay sino pa 'yon? Lianis, si Limuel Lianis, katukayo ni Sir Limuel. So nasa inuman tong video na to, may karaoke silang kunti, kantahan, biglang pinakanta. Pakinggan natin yung kanta niya kasi nagba-viral ito, nagwa 1.6. So shout out dyan kay Limuel Lianis official. I-subscribe niyo siya para dadami yung na to, kanta na to. Okay? Dadami pa yung subscriber niya at saka kin na rin, subscribe na rin, okay? So pakinggan natin yung video niya.
Yes! Oh, yes! I was the only one, wondering what went wrong. But all have gone and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling like it just been you. Then you came to me, and my loneliness left me. I used to think I was trying to avoid it, but that's a heartbreak. But now that I found you, even the nights are better, that'll be you together. Even the nights are better since I found you. I've been lonely too, and you show me how to reach the pain in you. Did more than mend a broken heart, 'cause now you made a fire start, and I can see that you feel the same way. I never dreamed there was someone to hold me until they told me, and now that I found you, even the nights are better, that'll be together. Even the nights are better since I found you. Even the days are brighter, someone you lost beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you.
Pilipinas, tagay-tagay pero manggawas ang tinuod nga tingog sa mga singer.
I never dreamed there was someone to hold me until you told me, now that I found you. Even the nights are better, that'll be together. Even the nights are better since I found you. Even the days are brighter, someone you
tayong mga Pinoy, kung magano tayo sa ano natin, sa mga barkada natin, mag iinuman, ano pa, di ba? Lumalabas yung mga magagaling na singer pag nakainom na. Kaya no, i-subscribe nyo si Coach Ricky Official. Maybe ito na yung ano natin na magre-reaction na lang ako sa mga nagba-viral na mga video. Ito viral to naka 1.6 million na siya na ano sa bidyong ito. Even the night are better. Okay, so see you next time, and subscribe, share and like. Don't forget. See you later.